Hi guys, we're back with another exciting look using Conatural Cosmetics. First, I'm going to apply some Conatural moisturizing cream. I'll apply a small amount of Conatural Cosmetics color corrector in the shade orange with a brush, and I'm going to blend it evenly. Now, I'm going to use Conatural Cosmetics concealer in the shade number 3 creamy beige to cover the dark circles and uneven skin tone. And then I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Silk Foundation in the shade Cream Warm with a brush. And I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to move on to contouring. After that, I'll apply some blush to add a little healthy flush to the cheeks. And then I'm finally going to apply some highlighter to bring light and dimension. After applying some glittery eyeshadow on the eyelids, I'm going to use dark brown eyeshadow to create an outer corner, and I'm going to blend it with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to apply mascara to lift them. Then I'm going to apply some eyelash extensions. And I'll create a winged eyeliner. I'm going to fill the eyebrows. And finally, I'm going to apply some Conatural Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Peach Sorbet. And I'm going to fix it all with a fixing spray. And here's the final look. We hope you like it.